Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see about storage classes and constants. Storage classes. A storage class defines the scope and lifetime of a variables and functions within a C program. They precede the type that they modify. We have four different storage classes in C program. They are auto, register, static and extern. The first storage class is auto storage class. The auto storage class is the default storage class for all local variables. This example code defines two variables within the same storage class. The auto can only be used within functions, that is the local variables. Next storage class is register. The register storage class is used to define the local variables that should be stored in a register instead of RAM. This means the variable has a maximum size equal to the register size, that is usually 1 word, and it cannot have the unary AND operator applied to it as it doesn't have a memory location. Here the example code for register storage class is given. The register should only be used for variables that require quick access, such as counters. It should also be noted that defining register doesn't mean that the variable will be stored in a register. It means that it might be stored in a register depending on hardware and the implementation restrictions. Next, static storage class. The static storage class instructs the compiler to keep a local variable in existence during the lifetime of the program. Instead of creating and destroying it each time it comes into and goes out of the scope. Therefore, making local variables static allows them to maintain their values between the function calls. The static modifier may also be applied to the global variables. When this is done, it causes that variable scope to be restricted to the file in which it is declared. In C programming language, when static storage class is used on a global variable, it causes only one copy of that member to be shared by all the objects of its class. Next, extern storage class. The extern storage class is used to give a reference of a global variable that is visible to all the program files. When you use extern, the variable cannot be initialized. However, it points the variable name at a storage location that has been previously defined. When you have multiple files and you define a global variable or function which will also be used in other files, then the extern will be used in another file to provide the reference of defined variable or function. Just for understanding, the extern is used to declare a global variable or function in another file. Next, the extern modifier. It is most commonly used when there are two or more files sharing the same global variables or functions. The next topic is constants in C language. A constant is a value or variable that cannot be changed in the program. For example, 10, 20, it is an integer constant. A, it is a character constant. 3.4 is the floating point constant. Then C programming, it is a string constant. These values cannot be changed during the execution of the program. These constants refer to fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called literals. The constants can be of any of the basic data types like integer constant, floating constant, a character constant or a string literal. There are enumeration constants as well. The constants are treated just like regular variables except their values cannot be modified after their definitions. C language has some constant values. First one is integer constant. An integer constant is formed with a sequence of digits. There are three types of integer constants. One is decimal constant, next octal constant, and the third one is hexadecimal constants. The decimal constant has the base value 10. It is formed with the decimal numbers. It may be in between 0 to 9. And the octal constant base 8. It is formed with octal numbers starting with leading 0 and remaining may be in between 0 to 7. Then hexadecimal constant is formed with the hexadecimal numbers starts with 0x and remaining may be in between 0 to 9 or 0 to f. Next, floating point constant. A floating point constant is made up of sequence of numeric digits with a decimal point. Constant character contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote symbol. Then string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. There are two ways to define the constant in C. One is constant keyword, another one is hash define preprocessor. C const keyword. It is used to define the constant in C programming. For example, it has given one syntax const float pi equal to 3.14, that is pi equal to 3.14. Now the value of pi variable cannot be changed. It is used in the program. Example program. The pi value 3.14 is declared in this program as floating point constant. So this value for pi cannot be changed till the execution of the program. Next, see the output. The value of pi is 3.1400. So this value cannot be changed. If you try to change the value of pi, it will render compile time error. Next, hash define preprocessor. The hash define preprocessor is also used to define constant. Syntax for defining the constant value by using the hash define preprocessor is you just write hash define, then identifier, then value. Identifier is nothing but a variable name. Value is the constant value assigning for that particular identifier. Thanks for watching this video.